Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to start with the new playlist, one of the new topic that is you might be have been read in the title of the video only. Just before going to topic, this is an introduction video, just an introduction video. So suppose you have taken the data science and programming in your course, okay? So let's pick up the word programming from there. So what is the exactly meaning of programming? Why do programming? What is the programming all about? Okay, so what is the mean by what is programming all about? So let's take a simple example. Suppose you have visiting the place, suppose Germany. Okay, so to communicate with the people, you must know the German language. Okay, if you visited the France, okay, so to communicate with the people of the France, you must know the French language. Okay, of course in India there are tremendously numbers of language. Okay, so but English and Hindi can be help you to the high extent. Okay, because most of the states can speak English and Hindi, both the language. Okay, so in computers also speaks various numbers of languages, starting from C, Java, Python, numerous. But what we have chosen the Python language. Okay, so why Python only? This is due to the mainly three reasons that we have chosen the Python language as our course. See, Python is the first reason is Python is the most spoken language by the programmers all over the globe. Okay. Second reason is it is a very easy to learn. Okay. You might be saying that I will complete that languages might be in 1 month and in 2 months only, with a video of an average duration of 10 minutes only. Okay. That's why it doesn't need any sort of more timing to learn or more your mind or more hard work to learn it. Okay. The third reason is it is very most powerful language, due to which it is widely used all over. Back in 80s 90s, there was tremendously hard to learn any language of computer. Okay, it was a supreme knowledge that someone's have, and that's why it was highly paid at that time above software engineers. Okay, today the condition is slightly bit different. At that time, to now 2023, the technology of computer has been drastically changed from from a high size and maximum size chips like a truck or a tractor to the microchips that we have got right now. The technology has been advanced, but not an learning of programming, because it is might be in your mind that as the technology get advanced we might be having hard to learn any language. That is not the case of humans at that time, at this time. Okay, in 2023 it is very easy to learn any of the programming language. You have the YouTube, you have many types of online website platforms that can taught you about languages. At that time it was very hard to learn. Okay, so starting from in 80s and 90s, we have multiple numbers of languages that is Pascal, COBOL, C, C++. At that time, this takes a week to write your first code. Okay. Nowadays, in 5 or 10 minutes, you write your first code. That is hello world. Okay. That is nothing serious about hello world, but most of the colleges start with that program, and most of the students also, and most of the YouTubers too. Okay. So yeah, that's gonna do be in our course. Okay, so when you ask about me about programming, I will only say programming is a fun. Yeah, it will be fun when you will do it by yourself. Suppose you are going you decided right now I want to learn or I want to go drive, I want to learn how to drive the car. Okay, you search for the YouTube videos, you read the books. That's gonna help. No, that doesn't going to help you. Okay, if you directly by after learning that you directly go to the car and just see what is all happening there, you will get confused. Okay, you will get tremendously confused that what should I do, and you will end up with accident. Okay, so that does not kids. When from the next video when I will start coding, I will start with the half very short amount of code. It will be a half page size only code. So you must learn with me. Means you must have your screen or terminal open with me, and you must write your code with my video simultaneously. Okay, that only will help. If you take only theoretical knowledge and expecting that I will do hack some code or develop something in your future. That's not gonna happen. Okay, it's a tendency of many students only. They do the technical theoretical knowledge, but do not cannot do the practicals, and that's why they have to ended up with the cheating in the practical sessions. Okay, so that's from the next video we will start with the very slowly from the scratch. I will start with the writing the code and explaining simultaneously. You must open up the terminal with me while the video is playing, so you will get an exposure that what I'm doing and you will understand everything. Okay, it will be only you, me and the terminal. Okay, that's over. Then there should be no one in the room. Okay, for the pro players who know the programming, it will be really very slow and bit boring. So, but don't we will surely with the upcoming videos, with the 2 3 videos, we will catch up the space, and we will expose. We will go into the deep of the Python. Okay. So thank you. Please subscribe the channel for stay tuning. It will only help you, and like the video and comment to the video. Okay. The next video will become tomorrow at this time only. Okay. Thank you.